Bryophytes. Bryophytes include the various mosses and liverworts that are found commonly growing in moist, shaded areas in the hills. Bryophytes are also called amphibians of the plant kingdom because these plants can live in soil but are dependent on water for sexual reproduction. They usually occur in damp, humid, and shaded localities. They play an important role in plant succession on bare rocks soil. The plant body of bryophytes is more differentiated than that of algae. It is thallus-like and prostrate or erect and attached to the substratum by unicellular or multicellular digoids. They lack true root stem or leaves. They may possess root-like, leaf-like or stem-like structures. The main plant body of the bryophyte is haploid. It produces gametes, hence it is called a gametophyte. The sex organ in bryophytes are multicellular. The male sex organ is also called antheridium. They produce biflagellate antherozoids. The female sex organ called archegonium is flexed-shaped and produces a single egg. The antherozoids are released into water where they come in contact with archegonium. An antherozoid fuses with the egg to produce the zygote. Zygote do not undergo reduction division immediately. They produce a multicellular body called a sporophyte. The sporophyte is not free living but attached to the photosynthetic gametophyte and derives nourishment from it. Some cells of the sporophyte undergo reduction division meiosis to produce haploid spores. These spores germinate to produce gametophyte. Bryophyte in general are of little economic importance, but some mosses provide food for herbaceous mammals, birds, and other animals. Species of sphagnum and moss provide peat that have long been used as fuel, and because of their capacity to hold water as packing material for transshipment of living material, mosses along with lichen are the first organism to colonize rocks and hence are of great ecological importance. They decompose rocks, making the substrate suitable for the growth of the higher plants. Since mosses form dense mats on the soil, they reduce the impact of falling rain and prevent soil erosion. The bryophytes are divided into liverworts and mosses.